Hello, my name is Sarah and today I will be presenting Korea Digital. Korea Digital is a company that has more than 200 types of sensors and they have a lot of other developed sensors for various environments. Today I will be presenting 3 different types of products and I will be giving the explanations of them. Korea Digital has a lot of research, manufacturing and marketing going on for their products, and they also have a product that is specialized in smart farming. So for that business they also have a solution. I will start by presenting the CO2 sensor. As you can see here, we have these products over here are the CO2 sensors, and they are divided into low concentration and high concentration product groups. These sensors are special because they have a dual wavelength NDIR method. This means that they can measure the CO2 more accurate than the other ones that only have a single wave type. I will explain now where we can use these kinds of products. You can use it for indoors and outdoors. Nowadays they are also developing like COVID-19's vaccinations, and they can also use these kind of sensors to make these products. It also is introduced into the European and Chinese markets. Apart from that, we can use it for test equipment, CO2 chambers and cell incubations. And also it can be used for environmental monitoring and control systems. Apart from that, I will talk a little bit about the O2 sensor that we also have. It's not here right now, but I will just tell you about the types. So we have a galvanic method and a zirconia method. And these O2 sensors modules can also control, and they're very accurate too, because, for example, the ON200 has 2 contact points of open collecting for the remote control, so that's why it is a little bit more accurate than other ones. And this one can be used also for protection of life due to the lack of oxygen. I can think, for example, in mines where it's very confined places, they can use this kind of device to measure the O2, so the life of the people cannot be endangered. So it's also for prevention of safety accidents, like I said, by workers in confined places, combustion devices and of controllers, such as gas and oil. It can also use to just measure the air quality monitoring, and for workplaces and laboratories. Apart from that, also in gas mixing processes, for example, in steel mills and so on, we can also use this just in general wherever it's needed to measure the oxygen levels. It's also used for medical and experimental related equipment. And yes, so for crop storage and storage transportation places, these products can also be used. Apart from this product, I will be talking about the agricultural sensor. This is the one that I talked about before. Like I said, it's for the smart farming businesses. This one is also equipped with the MCU to perform various functions. So also the microprocess enables reliable data processing and easy installations and calibration. It also has, as you can see, it has functions to display various measured values, for example, the pH value in real time, the EC, and so on. And as I said, it's all in real time. And we can use this in plant factories, hydroponics. We can use this in plant factories and hydroponics. Apart from this, also it's used for soil water contact sensors and solar radiation sensors. anywhere where you need it actually, so related to farming and the water, temperature, and so on. Apart from this, we also have another product. This is actually a test kit that is used in a lot of 70% of the Korean schools. So it's very, very, very popular these days in Korea. Like I said, 70% of the schools is working with this test kit. Like I said before, this product is used a lot in Korea, over 70%. It is very focused, for example, on the smart planting business, O2 sensors, CO2 sensors, and like I said, it's also patented because it does have that dual wave sensor. And yes, and this company, Korea Digital, they are striving to develop more and to outsource their product. They are striving to develop more and to export their product to more countries. As I said before too, they have various patents, and they do also export to other countries.